Hello! Today I am going to show you how to fold an electric bike and fit it perfectly into the trunk of the car. It's really easy. First, let's fold the pedals. Secondly, let's lower the handlebar to make the bike more compact. Also, let's lower the seat post. You can even remove the seat post if you need to. Next, it's time to fold the handlebar. Just open the quick release lever for that. Now, it's time to split the frame into the half. There is usually a double lock on that lever. After releasing the lever, you can fold the frame. Now the bike is small enough to easily fit into the small sedan. To lift up the bike, I suggest grabbing from the bottom half of the frame. And that's how you fold an e-bike. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next videos.